I'm going to show you how to default a Bosch Solution 6000 alarm panel. Remember that when you default the panel, it will lose all of its programming and there is no way of getting it back. The master code will default to 2580 and the installer code will default to 1234. So, power down your system completely by disconnecting the battery and the mains power. Now locate the default button on the top of the board and press it while you are reconnecting the power. Hold your finger down until the dialer and status lights start flashing rapidly, and then release. And the panel should now be defaulted. Don't forget to reconnect the battery. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, leave your comments below and like and subscribe to our channel. Also, catch us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to visit our website where you can find all the equipment we've spoken about today at www.jeepalarmparts.com.au. See you next time.